Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use your Vivo V60 as a TV remote control. Many people don't realize that the Vivo V60 comes with a built-in smart remote feature that allows you to control compatible televisions directly from your phone. The best part is that once everything is set up, you don't need an internet connection to use it, because it works through the phone's infrared sensor, just like a traditional TV remote. If you've misplaced your TV remote, the batteries have died, or you simply want the convenience of controlling your television from your smartphone, this feature can be incredibly useful. Let me walk you through the complete setup process step by step. First, unlock your Vivo V60 and look for the Smart Remote application. In most cases, the app comes pre-installed on the phone, so you won't need to download anything from the Play Store.
Open the Smart Remote app to get started.
Once the application launches, you'll see an option to add a new device. Tap the plus icon, which is usually located in the top corner of the screen. After tapping the plus icon, you'll be presented with a list of different appliance categories that the phone can control. Since we're setting up a television, select the option labeled TV Set. The app will then ask you to choose your television brand. Scroll through the list and find the brand that matches your TV. Whether you have a Samsung, LG, Sony, TCL, Hisense, or another brand, simply select it from the available options. Once you've selected your TV brand, it's time to test the connection. Make sure you point the top part of your Vivo V60 directly toward your television because that's where the infrared sensor is located. The app will display test buttons, usually starting with the power button.
Tap the power button on the screen and watch your television carefully.
If the TV turns on or off, that means the correct remote profile has been found. If your television responds correctly, tap Yes when the app asks whether the command worked. The Smart Remote app will then save the settings and complete the pairing process. From that point onward, your phone will function just like a regular TV remote. You'll be able to control common functions such as power, volume adjustment, channel changes, mute, and navigation controls depending on your TV model. If the first test doesn't work, don't worry. The app will automatically try other remote profiles for your TV brand. Continue following the on-screen instructions and testing the buttons until you find the profile that successfully controls your television. Once you find the correct one, save it and you're ready to go. Now let's talk about a few important tips that can help ensure a successful setup. When using a smart remote feature, try to stay within about 1.5 meters of your television during the initial setup process. Also, make sure there are no objects blocking the path between your phone and the TV's infrared receiver. Unlike Wi-Fi-based remotes, infrared signals require a direct line of sight to work properly. If you're unable to find the Smart Remote application on your Vivo V60, use the search feature on your phone. Simply swipe down on the home screen and type Smart Remote into the search bar. Another option is to check your quick settings panel by swiping down from the top of the screen. Some Vivo devices include a remote or IR remote shortcut there for quick access. And that's all there is to it. Setting up your Vivo V60 as a TV remote only takes a few minutes and can save you a lot of frustration when your physical remote isn't available. Give it a try and see how convenient it is to control your television directly from your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future Vivo tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.